Alright, so today I'm gonna work on this right here. I realized that this sounds pretty good. A little 6x9 speaker, it fits. But I thought I was hearing it the whole time. I noticed every time I covered it, I couldn't hear anything. And I found out, there you go, it's blocked off the whole time. Why? I don't know. This side is open, you can see it. But I guess I'm gonna cut it open and re-upholster this black part, but I'm gonna use my own material, make it look a little nicer, maybe a little ricer, but you know. So what you're gonna need: rotary tool, this thing to cut it, the disc, obviously material. I'm using this Loctite spray adhesive professional 300 heavy, Phillips, and some scissors to cut the material. And first let's take these screws up. So separated already. This is what it looks like. This is the right side, and we're gonna cut a hole like how this one is. Cut it right here. Actually, before we cut the hole, I forgot. We gotta take all this material off. I'm gonna use a razor blade. I'm just gonna cut a little, do a little slit right here, and then I'll just. All right, so I fully skinned it. Here's the material. It's pretty see-through. Took it all off. Now it's time to cut a square. All right, so I cut the hole. I'm just gonna make it more flush around the edges right there. Try to get it more like right here. All right, I'm switching over to this. Earlier I was using the cutting tool. Now I'm just gonna use this to grind down all the way to the lower. All right, so I cut this much. I didn't cut all the way because I thought about it. If I put material, at least have somewhere to at least spray the glue on it, you know. I don't want it too thin. So I did about that much. You can see the mess I made. And just go clean the edges a little bit, and then alright, so before we actually spray the glue, we gotta cut up the material. That's a lot of material. I guess I'm gonna do my headliner and stuff later, but just measure it out. That's about it. Also, it's okay to have a little more, just to be safe. You don't want it too tight or too less, or then it could, it can't cover it. All right, got enough of the material. So what you want to do is spray this side first. It's easier. Shake this up, and then spray it just there, and we'll just let it sit for a little bit, maybe a minute or two, to get tacky. Not too wet, or it's gonna see how I sprayed it. Look at all that excess. So we're just gonna wipe off the excess with like cardboard or something, whatever you have available. I'm gonna get some cardboard from the trash can. Just wipe those off. So just slowly take some of it off. You see this excess? Look like pimples. They're not. There you go. it's starting to tack up, that's perfect for your material. Won't go through it. Okay, so I glued this side already. Now it's time to do this side. You're gonna have excess like this. We're just gonna cut them off later and then try to glue a little bit and glue it on the cardboard and then throw it onto here and then just fold it right over. All right, halfway. All right, so that's how much I got already. Now I'm just gonna fold it over like I did right there. I don't know where that, I have a little extra piece I got cut off. And all right, it's getting dark outside. That was like 10 minutes. It got dark hella fast. But here we go, I'm done. Now just to put it back on here, just gotta screw it in, that's all, we're good. There it goes. All right, there we go. Bam, done. Now to put it in the car. All right. See if I can get this right. Okay. And it should snap in place. And bam. There we go. I know, ricer mod and all, but at least now there's a hole right here and I can hear the speakers. Well, I'm done now. It's dark. Anyways, hope you guys enjoy the video. Comment, like, whatever. It don't matter.